When we moved to our new home, we lost all of our family Christmas ornaments, and so we are making our own new ones with beeswax, felt, and items we find on our property. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make beeswax ornaments too. It's super easy, and you can get creative with the shapes of the molds that you use and whatever you want to put into the molds. I will link below my favorite molds, but in general, the larger the better. And you're gonna need a pot and a wax melter to double boil your wax along with what you want to decorate your ornaments with. I chose dried flowers, which you could dry yourself or you could order online as well. Before you pour your wax, you want to make sure that all pieces have been melted completely. This one's got a little more ways to go. Some people have recommended spraying your silicone molds with an oil, but I found that to be unnecessary and just messy, and at least with silicone molds it works just fine. You can also put some decorative elements at the bottom of your ornament, or you could put them on the top. I found that they really stuck out the most when we put them on top. The beeswax does dry fairly quickly, so you want to watch it and not waste any time. And then when the beeswax has completely hardened and turned a light yellow, you can pop it out of its silicone mold. For smaller molds or molds that don't have a hole for a hanger, I recommend putting in the hanger before you pour the wax. If you use beeswax alone, or if you have any extras, you can pour it right back into the pot. We had found some dead yellow jackets at our windowsill, and we're really happy to be able to protect their little bodies and preserve them in these beeswax molds. And so we will be saving these carefully with tissue paper and using them year to year. Here's a little mushroom mold that we had found. Here we use some moss, and you can use really whatever you want. This is a great craft to make with kids and to enjoy the elements of nature.